In this video, we are going to show you how to customize your navigation bar for any of your Shopify stores. So of course you need to be signed in, and once you're logged into your account, once you're here on your dashboard, what you want to do is click on online store, right? Click on online store like so. It's going to bring you to this page, right? There you go. So whatever, for this store, this is going to be the theme that we have. What you want to do is click on edit theme, right? Edit theme like so. And here you're going to see that we can actually do anything and everything on our theme, especially on our navigation bar. So this is going to be our navigation bar. So if you hover your mouse like so, it says menu, header, so on and so forth. And for example, I click this, and on your left on the menu, it says menu, color scheme. So you can just pretty much edit everything here. You can edit the color scheme of your navigation bar. You can edit the typography, meaning top level size, submenu size, fonts. You can change your fonts. You can change your casing, right? Is it uppercase or lowercase? You could pretty much edit your submenu, media type, what type of media collection, images, featured connections, change the image ratio from portrait, square, automatic, or the image corner radius. So you can from 0, you can just go all the way like that. So there's a lot of things that you can edit with your navigation bar, even your logo here. So yeah, you can just play around and until you find the sweet spot for you or what you're looking for your branding for this specific store. And after that, all you need to do is click save and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.